So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook app not sync on the Android. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Outlook app not sync on the Android, so guys, first of all, check your internet connection. So guys, Outlook need a stable internet connection to sync. So to verify and refresh your networks, first of all, you simply turn on and off your network aeroplane mode. Simply swipe down and here you see the option of aeroplane mode. So you just click it, turn it on and again turn off. Okay, another thing is guys, you force sync your Outlook mail manually. Guys, for force sync you simply open your application and guys you simply slowly swipe down. When you find this progress bar, so just leave it and wait for to refresh it. Okay, another thing is guys, you check your sync setting in your Outlook. So guys, for this, open your profile icon, then guys go to the option of setting. In the setting guys, click on the option of mail and guys ensure your sync and your sync collector calendar are enabled. Okay, so guys here you see the focus inbox is turned on, email organization newest on the bottom, swipe option, swipe between the conversation, email auto advance. So go back to the message list, open new mail. So make sure these settings are matched with my settings. Okay, then guys you enable your background data. So guys, for enabling the background data, first you go and long press on your application, click on app info. The app info, here you go to the option of mobile data and battery Wi-Fi. So just click it and here make sure that your background data is on. So these are the basic things that you can done. And another thing is guys, you disable your battery optimization. For disabling the battery optimization, you simply swipe down and guys simply turn on and off your app. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. And last step is guys, you try to update your Play Store. For updating the Play Store, you just go on Play Store, just search and here you simply search the option of Outlook mail and update it. So guys, these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.